All right, I think we are live.
Woohoo!
This is Nechole with eCom Seller Summit, and I am so happy to be here tonight. We're just having a quick conversation with Miss Barbara Drazga, and she is one of our featured speakers for our eCom Seller Summit, which is March the 12th through the 14th. And let me tell you, it's all online. We've done conferences before, we've done the big events in the hotels and hundreds of people, but now we're actually bringing all that online. We have an amazing lineup of speakers, and Barbara is one of them. And the stuff that she's going to share is going to be amazing. So I want you guys to go register if you haven't already registered, because you want to get a ticket to the summit. It's for those people that can't get away. If you can't go to a big conference, or if you can't get away to the little hotel workshops, which we won't talk about the little workshops right now. But if you've always wanted to learn about e-commerce, if you've always wanted to learn how to make money online, if you've always wanted to be able to figure out how does Amazon work, how does eBay, how does Etsy work, how do people make money in e-commerce, this is the event for you. So, Miss Barbara.
Hello. Hi.
Will you tell us a little bit about yourself?
A little bit about myself. I've been selling online since 1996. Yes, I'm a dinosaur in internet years. I get it. I've sold everything from digital products to affiliate products, and then I discovered e-commerce, physical products, back in 2015. I'm a full-time online Amazon seller, also on my own websites, and so I'm rocking and rolling. I'm having a great time at it.
Well, my team they said, you have to invite Barbara. She's amazing. They've been following you. And I know that when I reached out to you, you were like, who is this lady?
Like, that's okay. Random people contact me all the time. It's a good way.
Well,
I mean that in a good way.
And that is good, because I know that you're going to share some amazing content with our audience. And so tell me what you think, first of all, about the fact that we're going to have an online conference. Tell me what you think about that concept.
That is such a relief. I know so many people who, they're still working a real job and they're doing the side hustle on the side, and they're really working their butts off to try to, am I allowed to say that, working their butts off, try to grow something for their families and their life and their future and their dreams, and they can't take away from work. And it is expensive to go to a conference. I'm headed to a conference for 5 days in San Diego, leaving on Saturday. Between hotel, flight, the registration cost, I'm up to $3,000 for this conference easily. And the networking that we can do and build like an online mastermind is valuable, because after you stop networking a live conference, a lot of times you lose touch with those people. You never talk to them again. But when you make the connections online, it's kind of like this instant mastermind, and that's why I like the online conferences.
Oh my gosh! And what are the things that you're going to be sharing?
Stuff I'm going to be sharing. I have a different take on a lot of things e-commerce. So I'm not going to share everything on this little blurb here, but I'm going to give you enough to make you curious about what I'm going to teach you. So I believe in putting customer first, not product first. So I'm going to talk about how we can increase your product price point through product bundling, but not just throwing a bunch of pieces of stuff together in a bag and trying to sell it on whatever platform you're selling on, by the way. Okay, it's platform agnostic, but I'm talking about starting with the customer in mind first and looking to solve a problem or feed a passion. And then we create our product, and we can sell a bundle for a lot more when it solves a problem or feeds a passion. That's what I'm going to be talking about with you guys.
Oh, that's going to be amazing. Let me just tell you. So Barbara talked about how expensive it is to go to conferences. She talked about that. That is so true. So you want to grab your ticket right now. You can go to ecomsellersummit.com, or Barbara's got a link somewhere on this page if she's sharing it. You want to go there to that link and make sure that you grab your ticket. In addition to that, because it's free, you'll have access to all of the speakers, including Miss Barbara, because if you do not know, like those people who don't know who I am, I love bundling. And it was so funny that when I invited Barbara, because I told her, I said I was going to talk about bundles, but I love a fresh perspective on bundles. I love the fact that Barbara is going to talk about bundles, because the reality is all of us can continue to learn and grow our knowledge in e-commerce. So she's probably got some tricks that I don't know, and I may have some tricks.
And vice versa.
There you
That's
go.
Right.
So I'm excited to hear her talk about bundles, because that is one of my passions. Those people, again.
Hey, can I tell everybody that I'm gonna give you that secret? I'm gonna give you guys, when you enroll, And when you do what Nechole tells you to do, I'm going to give you guys something too. I'm going to give you a freebie. When can I tell them about that? I'm excited about that.
Well, you can tell them what you have to do is, in order to get any of the bonuses, her freebie is amazing. And in order to get that bonus, you have to buy the All Access Pass. The All Access Pass allows you unlimited access to the speakers. Anytime you want to watch them, you'll have lifetime access to the back office to watch any of the 18 speakers, to download any of the bonuses. We have over 18 bonuses. I think we're up to 20, actually really 22. I'm just confirming, but right now on the page, it says we have 18. And the bonuses are amazing. So you have to buy the All Access Pass. And the reason you want to do that is because the All Access Pass is going to give you the ability to watch this whenever you want. Because we're going to be broadcasting the 12th, the 13th, and the 14th. And if when we're broadcasting, you wanted to see Barbara, and Barbara was on a day that you had to take your kids to a soccer game, or you had an after-school event, or maybe you had a doctor's appointment, or whatever it happens to be, and you couldn't watch it, you have the ability to watch it whenever you need to, whenever you want to. You can always go back and watch it, and you get access to all of the freebies. So you want to get the All Access Pass, you have to make sure that you buy that. So Barbara, what are you going to give to All Access Pass owners?
I'm going to give you guys, and it doesn't matter what platform you sell on, okay? Whether it's eBay or Amazon or Etsy or Pinterest or wherever, it doesn't matter, you're on platform. I'm going to give you a step-by-step bundling guide. So it's going to be my approach to creating product bundles that sell. It's a step-by-step bundling guide.
Oh my gosh.
That's yours when you get the All Access Pass.
That's right. When you get the All Access Pass. And if I remember correctly, she's doing a bundling. I think her tips are, or the checklist is around year round. Isn't that right?
Yeah, absolutely. And I believe in creating evergreen bundles. So we have a base of income. I don't want to give too much away, but I want to give enough away that I believe in creating evergreen bundles to create consistent income all year round. And then you can supplement those bundles by doing seasonal on top of it.
See, so all those people who are trying to get started in e-commerce, and you're like, I don't know how to get started. I don't know where to do. I don't know what to buy. I don't know where to go. She is literally going to give you a recipe that you can make money after watching her at the summit and downloading her freebie.
Yeah, just like all the other speakers. I'm so excited to be a part of it as well and have the All Access Pass so that I can learn from all of you, the wonderful speakers that you've signed up for this incredible event. I'm looking forward to it as well.
Oh, yeah. See, so grab your ticket. Somewhere there's going to be a link at the bottom top. But make sure you grab your ticket to the eCom. I was getting ready to say our old events. Sorry, the eCom Seller Summit, because we've done events for so long. So I was like, but but make sure you grab your ticket to the eCom Seller Summit and make sure you get the All Access Pass. If you don't get the All Access Pass, you won't be able to go back and watch the speakers again, and you won't be able to download Barbara's freebies or any of the other speakers' bonuses as well. So Barbara's,
you're going to get a whole ton of stuff, and I'm so excited to meet everybody and answer your questions and give you a bunch of content. And I'm really excited that you invited me to be along on this ride with you. Thank you, Nechole.
I'm glad that you're here. And I'm going to throw this out there. We're doing this again in August. We're going to do a Q4 summit. And my hope is that Barbara will come along, because bundles, Q4,
oh, yeah.
That's a lot of opportunity right there. That's a lot of opportunity for profit. I'm just saying. So she may talk about bundles in Q4, or she may talk about something completely different. But we just want to go ahead and tease her out there that we're going to do this again in Q4. But for right now, if you want to get started, if you want to have an amazing 2019, you want to grab your ticket right now to the eCom Seller Summit. So thank you, Barbara.
Thank you for having me. I'll see you at the summit.
All right. Oh, and you know what? I forgot to, I don't know why, I didn't show our names. The whole time I didn't show our names. So you can find us, and I'm sorry. Okay. Me and Be Live, we're learning how to work together. So thank you, Barbara, and get your ticket.
Thank you. See you guys.